Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Alright, let's get started. So this week, towards the end of the week, we started to see some massive sell-off in the risk-on markets, and there's just continued deleveraging across the board for all risk-on, and I'm expecting to see more downside to come in the weeks until the Fed meeting next week. So it really depends what the Fed puts out next week in their Fed meeting. So they are already hawkish. So the worst they can do is become more hawkish. But as they become more hawkish, there is just going to be like a marginal return in the effect on the market. So if you're not already in the sell for the Aussie dollar, you can go in for a sell here. I think what will happen here is price will move down here towards this 0.713 level and then find some retrace, and then maybe more downside. So yeah, look out for the Aussie dollar. I think this is is going to be a pretty long and choppy wave 4, and I do not think we're out of this wave 4 yet, but definitely need to see a wave 4 and then a wave 5 before any upside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.